Hi, my beautiful lovers. Today we are making delicious black soup, guys. Do you want to know how I cook this delicious soup? Let's go, guys. Okay, guys, I see the hot. Now the meat when I want to cook this yummy soup with this. So, guys, so I want to put it for pot, as you can see on this video, guys. So here is the onions. It's time for me to slice the onions inside. So I'm cutting the onions, guys. So here is the non-maggi I want to use. I use 2 non-maggi. So I will put it inside. Okay guys, here is the black pepper panda I put inside. As you can see on this video. Here is ginger powder, guys. I also add it. Here is salt. So I put a little bit of salt inside. So after putting it, I have to turn it together. Mix it very well. So I'm done mixing it. I cover it, put it for fire to cook. So here is the banga I want to make use of, guys. It's time for me to open it. So I'm done opening it, guys. I will add it to this water inside this pot. There's water inside. Guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, guys, do me well by hitting the subscribe button. You guys are all welcome to this channel. On this channel, we learn how to cook. We do eating entertainment. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video, guys. Hit the subscribe button for more updates, guys. With love, we go. So I'm putting the banga inside the water in the pot, guys, as you can see on this video. So after then I put it for fire to melt. So I want to melt it so that I can filter it. So here is the fish I want to make use of. As you can see on this video, I'm cutting it. Who they run now? Now wife material they run now. Now only wife material in the kitchen. If you don't know how to cook black soup, come here and learn how to cook black soup. Very easy. We use banga and bitter leaf on this soup, guys. So I'm done cutting the fish, guys. It's time for me to wash it. So we are here to check the soup again. As you can see, here is the meat. It's cooking. It's done. Before adding everything, you have to parboil the meat first, so that all the ingredients will enter inside. So here is a banga. I'm turning it to check it if it is meat. So I'm bringing it down to cool down. Wow, see the food now. The meat is getting ready. It's time for us to add the banga inside. So we pour in the banga. So on this banga, the under there is shaft under. The shaft of the banga. No stand is the shaft. So I pour the banga inside. Turn it together after pouring it. So I also add pepper. I use the blended pepper. Add a spoon of pepper. After then, I cover it to cook. So here is the bitter leaf I want to make use of. So this is how we see our bitter leaf over here to buy. So they put it in the fridge. So I bought the one in the fridge. So I want to wash it. I'm done washing it, guys. It's time for me to blend it. So I will blend this bitter leaf together with the spices I want to use. Here is the onions. So I cut the onions inside the leaf. Here is the uriema. We call it uriema in our language. So I don't know the name of uriema in English. In English, I mean to say. So So why this one is pepper soup spices, our local pepper soup spices. So I also pour it inside, blend everything together. So this is how I bought it over here. You can see the soup. The soup is boiling, so I pour in the black leaf that I blended. I pour it inside, whisk it and pour it back. As you can see on this video, the soup is getting ready, guys. Take your time and watch this video to the end to know how to cook black soup. It's so easy and simple to cook, guys, if you can have patience to watch it. So I add pepper to it again. I add a little, so I need pepper. So I like a lot of pepper in my soup, guys. So I cover it to cook. Here we are back to check it. You can see the soup. The soup is boiling. It's cooking. So we are adding our fish and cow leg. So that cow leg, I added it late because the cow leg is soft already. I don't want it to be too soft. You can see the soup now. Who can feel the vibe of this soup? So I added salt. Who can feel the vibe of this soup? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? If you can feel it, drop your comment down. Please guys, share this video. Share this video. You can see it. I test it to check if everything is swedemende. So everything is okay. And so as I cook this soup, everywhere they send for kitchen, I can say no, I must dance to it. That is why I'm dancing. So I check it back again. As you can see, I turn it very well. So after turning it, I test it again to check it. So everything is demure. Okay guys, I see the hot. Make we turn the starch where we want to use for this black soup, guys. Who they run now? Now only wife material they run now. So I take cold water and I put red oil inside. So after putting the red oil, I added starch inside, as you can see on this video, guys. So we turn it after adding the starch. We have to mix it together, guys. Turn it very well. Check it to look if the starch is light. So I added a little bit of starch and I mix it again. So if you want to turn your starch, make sure you check it with the stick you want to use to turn it. Make sure it is light. So here is the soup now. Say soup. Soup is giving. It's yummy. So I said let me turn it again so that you people will feel the vibe of this soup. The vibe is giving, guys. What do you think about this soup, guys? Please share this video. The soup is soupering. So I cover it for a little minute again. So let's go ahead for the starch. So the starch is starchy. So you don't tell when we don't turn the starch for fire. So I say as it don't the end, I say let me put video so that you guys will feel the vibe of the starch. Starch is easy to turn, it's also hard to turn. If you can turn starch very well, it will be simple for you to turn. So I cover it, let it cook a little bit. So here is the soup again. Let us check it. So the soup is ready, as you can see on this video. The soup is ready. It's ready to eat. So I said let me turn it around so that you guys will see it. This is black soup. Black soup for sure. I said make I test them. Because I test them is soupery. So guys, what do you think about this food, guys? Here is the soup now. I said make I show it to now again. Let me turn it again. Let me turn it for you guys. You can see the soup now. Oh God, as I dey taste and I saw the soup dey sweet. Now so e dey yummy. I said no. I go show this soup to una. Guys, share this video and hit the subscribe.